Hello students, welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel, press the bell button, press the like button and share it. आज मैं बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एक कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आ रहा हूँ आपके सामने. एक इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक चैप्टर है. सो आई वांट टू डिस्कस दिस वन विद व्हाट नीट लेवल तक क्या है डिस्कस करना मैं चाह रहा हूँ. आज से क्या है मैं कंटिन्यूसली वीडियो डालने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि ताकि आपको क्या है इसका बेनिफिट मिल सके. और एक बात मेरे प्लानिंग में क्या है बहुत सारे है, सो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू. आपके सामने क्या है मैं शेयर करना चाह रहा हूँ. जैसे कि सब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड है तो नीट के बेस के स्टूडेंट के लिए क्या है बेनिफिट होने वाला है. तो आप लोग कंटिन्यूसली मेरे चैनल को क्या है देखते रहिए और एंड तक देखिए ताकि आपको क्या है कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियरली समझ में आने के लिए. तो आज मैं जो भी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ ये क्या है हिंदी और इंग्लिश लेवल तक मैं लैंग्वेज क्या है दो चूज़ कर रहा हूँ, इंग्लिश और हिंदी. इसमें क्या है मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ तो आप लोगों को क्या है इजीली अंडरस्टैंड होने का मैं क्या है कोशिश करता हूँ ताकि आप लोग क्या है इसका बेनिफिट ले सके. आज का इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक. सो दिस इज द वन मेन टॉपिक इन आवर CBSE, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक. आज का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक मीन्स व्हाट? एक्चुअली व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक बोले तो क्या है? इलेक्ट्रो मीन्स चार्ज. इलेक्ट्रो इट्स अ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज, वी कैन सी दैट. इलेक्ट्रिक का चार्ज. स्टैटिक एट रेस्ट. ओके, स्टैटिक बोले तो क्या है? रेस्ट. मीनिंग क्या है? रेस्ट बोले जैसा. तो so then we can define the what electrostatic. How we are going to define it? Electrostatic, it's a branch of physics which deals with the charges which are at the rest. So it deals with the study of charges which are at rest, or static which are at the static. So that we are going to call electrostatic. So electrostatic means क्या है? ये branch है किसका? Physics. It's a branch of physics which deals with the study of charges which are at the rest. When charges which are at the rest, so then some properties we can see it. What property we can see here? So when charges which are at the rest, so we can see the electric field. So that I'm going to explain it. So electric field we can understanding, and then electric potential. Okay, so electric potential. Okay, so then electric force also we can see it here. Electric force, electric field, electric potential and dipole moment. This also we can understanding here. ये कॉन्सेप्ट भी हम क्या है अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. एंड देन टॉर्क ऑल्सो वी कैन सी इट. ओके, सो डाइपोल मोमेंट, टॉर्क एंड देन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. So in our physics, the name it's saying that it deals with the study of matter and energy. Okay, so matter and energy, so that we are going to understanding. So that is our concept of physics only. So here also what we are going to see now, so we are going towards what? Energy. Main important concept क्या है हमारे को? एनर्जी है. So that energy once we get now, so we can convert one form to the another form. एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म को हम क्या है इजीली एनर्जी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है. किस लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है? हमारे को क्या है मेन क्या है हमारा फिजिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? सो वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द व्हाट? एनर्जी. हाउ द एनर्जी वी आर गेटिंग इट, द सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, वेयर इट इज. If I get the source of energy, I can easily convert one form to the another form. I can use it. So because of that, this chapter is very, very important. इसकी वजह से क्या है, ये चैप्टर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो अब हम क्या है, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज मीन्स व्हाट। सो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज मीन्स व्हाट। एक क्या है, एंशियंट नियर अबाउट 600 BC के जब क्या है, एक थेल्स ऑफ मैल्थ्यूस बोल के साइंटिस्ट, थेल्स ऑफ मैल्थ्यूस, ओके। सो थेल्स से क्या है, सो दैट प्लेस नेम, सो मैल्थ्यूस, okay, philosopher, we can, that time he was the what, philosopher. He took the one amber, when he rubbed with the fur, then what happens, the amber and that fur, it is going to be attracting. So amber, what is it? So it's a material, fur is also material. These two suitable materials when rubbed, so then what happens, no, some friction energy takes place. Because of that, some charges it is come out from that surface. What's that, some substance, so whatever the amber and fur it is, no, so there's on that what, that surface, on that surface, so we are going to see the electric charges. So then he said that some what attracting force it is going to be takes me. That's only they are thinking about it, nothing is there. इतना ही मालूम था वो लोगों को। तो एम्बर ग्रीक लेटर में क्या कहते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन कहते हैं। इन ग्रीक लेटर इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, इलेक्ट्रॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन कहते हैं, ओके। सो एम्बर, सो दैट वी आर, दे आर कॉलिंग द व्हाट, इलेक्ट्रॉन. So then later it is electron, it is like this way, okay. Word, it is again converted in terms of what, electricity. So electron, it is converted in terms of what, electricity, okay. So this is brief idea regarding about the history. We want to see that आपका इसके बारे में हिस्ट्री मालूम होना है बोले तो क्या करना है. So एक नियर अबाउट ग्रीक, so in Greek, so nearly 600 BC, so one place that is Thales, so there one great philosopher, his name is Malthus. He took two suitable materials, he has rubbed, so then what happens now, so there is a force of attraction is takes place. That amber they are calling the what, electron, that is the Greek letter. So then this electron it is converted into electron, okay. So that electron again it is further what are the root level, whatever the electricity is there, no, so that we are going to getting it. Then what is electric charge, ये तो हो गया, नाम आ गया. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज बोले तो क्या है, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज मीन्स what is it? So we want to understand, no, so electric charge, it's a fundamental quantity of matter. Electric charge means what, it's a fundamental quantity of matter that gives the what, influence of electric. What is influence? Influence बोले तो क्या है, the force of attraction or repulsion. तो एक इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज में फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन रिपल्शन हो रहा है क्या, नहीं. So that quantity is called electric charge. Or the property of matter in which electric and magnetic effects we can see it, or which can produce the what, electric and magnetic. So means the again we are going to towards the what, the same thing, the force of attraction or repulsion between the what are two charges. So that we are going to called electric charge. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज कहते हैं. So this electric charge, its SI unit is coulomb. SI unit क्या है इसका, coulomb है. That is C, we can see that. Coulomb, that is capital C. So this is the one derived quantity. अब हम fundamental quantity तो भूल गए, but fundamental ये क्या है, quantity है. Okay, so fundamental we are going to see that it's a derived quantity. If you go for this one again, units and dimensions, so there we can see that it's a derived quantity. It is derived from the main fundamental quantity, that is current and time. So that is Q equal to I into T. The SI unit of this one is coulomb. We are going to see, no, that is coulomb. I am saying that is nothing but the ampere second. 1 coulomb is nothing but what? Ampere second. coulomb का मीनिंग क्या है जी यहाँ पे? एम्पियर सेकेंड. दिस इज द व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो एम्पियर सेकेंड इट्स अ व्हाट? एसआई यूनिट. एसआई यूनिट है, ये डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटी है. इसका एसआई यूनिट क्या है? एम्पियर सेकेंड. सो सम प्रैक्टिकल यूनिट्स लाइक व्हाट वी कैन सी, नो, प्रैक्टिकल यूनिट्स लाइक सो small unit like millicoulomb. 1 millicoulomb, its meaning is 10 to the power of minus 3 coulomb. Or 1 microcoulomb, we can see that 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb. This way also we are going to see it. Okay, so this way also we are. So another ampere hour also we can see that ampere hour. Okay, ampere hour. So ampere hour, we can take the 1 hour. So near about how many? 60 into 60 second. That is ampere, we can call it. Okay. So that is ampere second, we can write down. So this ampere 3600 ampere second is nothing but the coulomb. Okay. So that is C. 3600 ampere hour means 3600 coulomb is called 1 ampere hour. आप बैटरी में देख सकते हैं. So 2000 mAh milli what ampere hour, that is nothing but the what? Storage of that क्या है? चार्जेस. कितना स्टोर कर सकता है वो बैटरी के अंदर चार्जेस? 2000 mAh बोल के लिखिए, सॉरी, मिली. Okay, so that is a milli ampere hour. Got a thing, sir? So 3600 coulomb of that we are going to call the 1 ampere hour. Another also we can see that Farad बोल के है, Faraday बोल के भी है. So Faraday is 96,500 coulomb. Another unit of this one is 96,500 coulomb is called 1 farad. 1 farad भी कहते हैं. So these are very important. So other units of electric charge. Electric charge के जो electric charge में concept पढ़ा रहा हूँ. So that electric charge other unit is what is that? So ampere hour. 1 ampere hour is 3600 coulomb. We can see that 1 farad is nothing but the 96,500 coulomb. Okay, so 96,500 coulomb. So again we are going to see some more points regarding about this one. CGS unit. Okay, other unit like CGS unit. Okay, CGS unit बोले तो, so that we are going to see that stat coulomb. Or it is also called a electrostatic unit, ESU, or electromagnetic unit, EMU. Okay, electromagnetic unit or electrostatic unit भी कह सकते हैं. So that is अब क्या है? electrostatic coulomb. So EMU में क्या है? app coulomb कहते हैं. So we are calling the what? app coulomb. In electrostatic stat coulomb we are calling this is app coulomb. Okay, we are going to see that 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 6 stat coulomb, we can call it. Okay, so 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 6 what is that? Stat coulomb. So that will be equal to 1 by 10 app coulomb. App coulomb भी बोल सकते हैं. So 1 by 10 app coulomb. And what is the dimensional formula of this one? Okay, so dimensional formula of charge. Dimensional formula of charge is, so that is Q equal to, so this is the what? Dimensional formula of Q. This is I and this is T. I is the fundamental quantity of matter. So this is derived quantity. So its dimensional formula is, this is A and this one is T. So that is AT. So if you want to write down in terms of this one, m to the power of 0, L to the power of 0, T to the power of 1, A to the power of 1, we can write it. This is the what dimensional formula of charge. Okay, so I hope people are understood this concept. So we'll continue with this next what next episode में हम. So thank you very much.